Hey there, fellow student programmers. Today we're going to explore something really exciting and cool in the world of mobile app development using React Native. Specifically, we're going to dive into how to use the Lottie animation library to bring our apps to life with smooth, high-quality animations. Animations are a crucial part of mobile app design. They can make your app feel more interactive, engaging, and just plain fun. Whether it's a loading animation, success feedback, or subtle background movements, animations can significantly enhance the user experience. But implementing animations can sometimes be tricky, especially if you want them to be smooth and performant across a wide range of devices. That's where Lottie comes in. Lottie is an amazing library that allows us to use animations designed by talented artists and designers in After Effects and exported as JSON files. This means we can implement complex, vector-based animations in our apps without worrying about file size or performance issues. Plus, Lottie animations are scalable, easy to use, and can be manipulated at runtime. In the code we're about to explore, we'll see how to implement at least 3 different Lottie animations within a single React Native component. We'll ensure these animations are of high quality and smooth, making them a great addition to most mobile apps. To make sure our app is robust, we'll also include try-catch exception handling for any errors that might occur within the component. And don't worry, I'll be adding comments throughout the code to explain what each part does and why it's useful. By the end of this, you'll see just how cool and efficient using Lottie animations in React Native can be. So with that said, let's dive into the code. Creating a React Native component that integrates Lottie animations involves a thoughtful approach to enhancing user experience with visual feedback. In this tutorial, we'll dissect the conceptual code structure and logic behind such a component without directly presenting code examples, focusing on the rationale and desired outcomes at each step. The first step involves setting up our component's foundation. Here, we initialize the component by defining its state. The state includes references to the animations we plan to use: a loading spinner, a success animation, and an error animation. This setup is pivotal because it allows our component to dynamically respond to user interactions or app states. The objective is to create a fluid and responsive interface where animations can be triggered based on specific events, enhancing the user experience by providing immediate and intuitive visual feedback. Next, we delve into the integration of Lottie animations. The process begins by importing the necessary animation files and the Lottie library into our project. The animations are chosen for their relevance and versatility across a wide range of mobile app scenarios. Each animation file is a JSON format, making it lightweight and scalable, ensuring high-quality visuals regardless of device screen size. The underlying logic here is to leverage Lottie's ability to render complex animations smoothly, with the aim of capturing user attention and providing a polished, professional look to the app. As we progress, our component implements conditional logic to determine which animation to display based on the app state. This is where the real interactivity comes into play. By manipulating the state, the component can switch between animations, such as transitioning from a loading spinner to a success animation once data fetching is completed. This dynamic rendering is crucial for creating an engaging user interface that reacts logically to user inputs and app processes. It showcases the component's ability to not just visually entertain, but also communicate app states effectively, making the user journey smoother and more enjoyable. Incorporating robust error handling is a key step in our component's development. By wrapping the animation loading and playing logic in a try-catch block, we prepare the component to gracefully handle scenarios where animations fail to load or encounter issues during playback. This aspect of the code is designed to enhance app stability by preventing crashes due to animation errors. Instead, the app can display fallback content or messages, informing users of the issue without detracting from their overall experience. The desired outcome here is to maintain a seamless user experience, even when unforeseen errors occur. Further enhancing the component, we integrate methods to control the playback of animations. This includes starting, stopping, and looping animations based on user interaction or app events. The logic behind this functionality is to create a highly interactive environment where animations respond directly to user actions, such as tapping a button to initiate a process, and then receiving visual feedback through an animation. This level of interactivity is key to making the app feel alive and responsive, greatly improving user engagement and satisfaction. As we wrap up our journey through creating a React Native component with Lottie animations, it's crucial to understand how this piece fits into the larger puzzle of app development. This tutorial wasn't just about making things move on the screen. It was a deep dive into creating responsive, dynamic, and engaging mobile applications that stand out in today's digital landscape. The component we've conceptualized is designed with extensibility and reusability at its core. By abstracting the animation logic into a standalone, reusable component, developers can easily integrate sophisticated animations into various parts of an application without rewriting code. This not only saves development time, but also ensures consistency in the user experience across different sections of the app. Whether it's indicating a page load, celebrating a user's achievement, or gently guiding users through error recovery, the same component can be adapted to fit numerous scenarios with minimal adjustments. Efficiency is another critical aspect we've emphasized. By leveraging the Lottie library, which supports vector animations that are both lightweight and high quality, our component contributes to the overall performance and responsiveness of the app. This is especially important in the mobile context, where resources are limited and user expectations for speed and smoothness are high. Lottie animations, being highly optimized and scalable, ensure that our component doesn't compromise the app's performance, even when deploying complex animations. Incorporating relevant development principles, especially those pertinent to JavaScript and React Native development, has been a guiding force behind this tutorial. We've touched upon concepts like component-based architecture, state management, conditional rendering, and error handling, each a cornerstone in the development of modern web and mobile applications. By understanding these principles and applying them in the context of our component, developers can enhance their ability to create sophisticated, robust applications that are easy to maintain and evolve. Moreover, this tutorial underscores the importance of user experience design in application development. In an era where user expectations are continuously evolving, the ability to create applications that are not only functional, but also delightful and engaging is invaluable. Our component, with its focus on visual feedback and interactivity, is a testament to how developers can use animations to enrich the user experience. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't worry if you missed anything. We've added a link to the source code in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe for more of the same. Thanks again, and remember, we're always learning, so keep coding, keep exploring, and keep building amazing mobile applications.